One of the many reasons I have upgraded from the Note 8 to the 9 is the super slow-mo capabilities and AR emojis, despite they are still lagging behind Apple and emojis. But if this is your only reason to upgrade, well, don't. Because the latest Samsung software update on the Note 8 brought AR emojis, slow motion and also super slow-mo too. As you can see here in the September update description when you head to the software update section. This is good news for the Note 8 owners, and I will quickly show you where to find these features after performing the update. AR emojis are right on the camera app. Just open it, turn it to selfie mode, then press the sticker option and tap the blue option Create AR Emoji. Your emoji will be created, then you can customize everything about it to make it more looking like you. And the other feature is slow motion and super slow-mo video shooting. Well, this is confusing because Samsung said that there is a dedicated DD-RAM on the S9 and the Note 9 to pull off those heavy super slow-mo data in real time. So how they are doing it on the older Note 8 that does not come with that hardware? Well, it is still always possible using the actual RAM, but there is a catch. The super slow-mo on the Note 8 is only at 480 frames per second instead of the 960 frames per second on the Note 9 and the S9. And there is no automatic mode to automatically capture the super slow motion. You have to synchronize your shit together and capture it yourself. Here is a super slow-mo video that I have captured on the Note 8. On the other hand, the regular slow motion is very practical and customizable too. When you go to slow motion on the camera options and press that recording button, the camera will try to capture the movement and apply the slow motion on it. Or sometimes it will apply it on all your clip. But the good news is that after recording, you can head to your gallery and change where you want the slow-mo effect to be applied by swiping it on the wanted portion of the video. You can also split the slow motion effect on more than one part using the split option. Then save your final clip. Well, this is definitely a well-welcomed feature on older devices from Samsung. I don't know if it is available on the S8 or not. Well, thumbs up for Samsung for doing it, and thumbs up for me if this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and catch you guys in the next one.